Menina, you want to light up your life?
Absolutely.
How about with a lot of LEDs?
I would love to do that.
Yeah, let's begin now. How we doing, everyone? This is Dario from MEDIABOXENT, and we got Menina behind the camera. So today what we have today, we hear this lighting up on my whole
It will light up a huge place, let me tell you. There you have 32.8 feet, which is 10 meters of RGB, red, green, and blue light strip with RF remote sync to music.
Yes, you can change different colors, potpourri. I know there's a lot of blue.
Yes, and you know what? It's also dimmable.
Yes,
color change, and you can go from static to dynamic.
You can do all kind of crazy things. Now the nice thing, you peel this up. But let me change camera so we can show you better. All right, so we can see the strip over here. Pretty simple. You remove the 3M sticker, and you can stick this anywhere inside the house. They're made from inside.
And they are super easy installation due to the 3M sticky part, and they are cuttable too.
Yeah, they are pretty long. Now, when you're ready, I mean, you can cut this. See here, to show you a scissors, so you can cut this. Now, they sell this era, and you can put it into it, so you can put at 45 degrees. You can do extensions. Always save it. You know, we have a lot of this, a lot of pieces, and I'll show you some pictures what we have inside the house.
Yes.
And I always save any piece because you never know when you're going to need it. So if you need 20 foot from here, cut it and save it, because next time you can use this and you can extend some more. Now, the next thing comes with on a power supply. And it comes with some screws and the attachment. If you want to, want to use the 3M sticker, you can attach with this. And also we get the full instructions, because this device is a Bluetooth device. Now the nice thing too, even though you see like a LED here, there will be the infrared. It's not an infrared. So it means I can point this right in my back, and I can turn it on. See, that's nice. Some of these old versions,
you don't have to align it.
Yeah, some of this has a little device, but this one, you see, I can point it right in the back.
Oh, yes, we had those. I remember.
Yeah, we have those. To the one we have underneath the table.
We're upgraded now.
Yeah, this one actually is going to go in the top of it. We have 3 shelves. If we have one bookshelf, I will lead up the picture now, but you can see the picture. So we're going to put this in the top, and actually missing some underneath this table, and I'm going to show you the picture as well, what it looks like. So from here, you can control the different colors. You can turn it on with music, strobe, fade, smooth, and you can do all those things. So real nice. But what you do is you just grab this. You can scan the code, or scan the code, and I think it's in the manual too. Scan the code from here. Download the application with the RQ code, and I'm going to turn it on. See? And we can change different colors from here. I can do white, I can do green. You see that red, purple. You can see the colors where it reflects that. There is all kind of effect. And music mode. Oh, let's activate the music. Oh, I need to play something. So automatic will go and play some. You play some music from here, and it as a bit of music this will link that too. So that's nice. There's no microphone on here. Also, you can, by the way, you can scan this device here, give you the info voltage. It's 12 volts, and here give you also how the signal works. Now, it's pretty simple. There is 2 arrows. Can we see that? There is 1 arrow here. There is no much into it. Just arrow with the arrow, and you're done. And that's it. And remember, you can cut this from anywhere in an RGB color. So you can control this with the phone and ready to party. So Menina, now how we can
light up your place and make like a party about any place that you live. All you have to do is click the link below.
Thank you. Bye.